welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to change out a basic wall outlet to the new USB style ones. These new style outlets have a USB port so you can connect your phone charging cable directly to the outlet without the need of the adapter box. Those adapter boxes magically disappear, or at least in my house they do. So let's get on with the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is find your breaker box, and you're going to want to go in there and find the bedroom that you're going to be working on, and you're going to want to turn the breaker off. So this breaker was on, now we have it turned off. So this is just going to give you some more assurance that there's not going to be power on the outlet while you're working on it. Right. So we're going to go from this style of outlet to this style. So the first thing we're going to do is take off this faceplate. And you're not going to need any kind of special tools. A simple flat screwdriver and a Phillips will work fine. All right, you're going to take off this bottom screw and the top screw. Once you do that, you're going to pull the outlet out. Now these are the hot wires, which they're not hot anymore because we turned the breaker off. So we're going to unscrew these screws here on the side. And we're going to move those to the side there. And then there's going to be some white ones. These are the neutrals. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to unscrew these. All right. Now, if you have a set of pliers, I have needle nose, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten out these wires here on the ends. All right, just like that. And I'm going to do the same to these. All right, and this one. Now, I know electricity can be intimidating to a lot of people, but once you have the breakers off, that should give you some kind of, sense of calmness, or, so you won't be so scared. All right, so now I'm going to get the new outlet. Okay, now simply the plate was on there, took the plate off. So this outlet is going to have two spots to put wires here. So if you look, one side's going to say white and the other side's going to say hot. So you want to put the hot side, which are the black, with the hot, and the white will go with the white. So we're going to, let's see here, hot is on the bottom. So let me get these over here. So we're going to want to put this in here. Like that, and this one as well. Now make sure you have them far enough in there so that when you tighten the screw down, it'll grab the wires nice and tight. Okay, now you don't have to go too tight. See, I'm gonna have to redo that one. All right, so let's shove that further in. There we go. And tighten that down. All right, now we're going to get the white side and do the same thing. All right. so let's get the white side. Shove it in there real good. All right. I hope the shadow of the light that I'm using isn't making it hard for you guys to see. So, all right, and we're going to tighten this down. Okay, make sure that's tight. All right, now let's go ahead and double check that again. White is on top, hot is on bottom. All right, now this is your ground wire. So this wire, you're gonna see on top of this outlet, there's a green screw right here. So that's where your ground wire is going to go. Let's get that on there, like so, and then we can screw that down. All right, so now everything is connected. It's upside down, so let's flip it over. And now we are going to push it back into the box in the wall. All right, there we go. Now, it has 2 screws, just like the one we took out. I'm gonna put one on top. Okay. And you're going to put one on the bottom, like so. All right. Now you're going to want to get the plate that it came with, and oh, this fell off here. That's to keep the little screw from falling out. All right, and you're going to want to line it up, and with your flat head screwdriver, you're going to want to tighten it. Now don't over tighten these because they do crack pretty easy. So just go ahead, and I like to line mine up. I mean, it's not a big deal. Something I like to do. And that's it. Now the next step, we're going to go to the breaker box and turn the power back on so we can test this. So now we want to come back to our breaker box or panel, whatever you want to call it, and we want to turn our breaker on, and then we will go inside and hook up a phone and check to see that it's working. So again, to the left is off, to the right is on, and it should be, see if you could see that, off and on. Okay, and then we'll close this door and let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so now that we have it installed, now we can go ahead and try it out. I already went and turned the breaker back on so that we get power. Oops, sorry. All right, so now let's plug this in. There we go. I don't know if you saw that. Let me go back to the phone. So, oops. There we go, it's charging. So that's it, guys. I hope this makes it a little easier for you to try and take this project on yourself. Again, we went from the old style to now the new style. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Also, if you could, please subscribe. And in the comments, go ahead and let me know if you have any ideas of future videos you'd like for me to make. And I'll try to get on those as soon as possible. So thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next one.